guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is NK and this is my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of my fun, exciting content. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite spring clothing items that brands have sent me. If you guys are new here, then you do not know this, but I will give you a little synopsis. I am a full-time content creator, blogger, and business owner, and it's just such a fulfilling job. I'm really happy that I've come this far, and I work with brands on a weekly basis, many brands. I've worked with over 80 brands in the last year and a half of being a content creator and an influencer, and here we are. I just wanted to first and foremost say I'm so thankful for everything that I have ever received from a brand. I get so many boxes and packages on a weekly basis, and I do want to do more of these videos where I just show you guys like, oh, like this is what I got. I do actually show all of that on Instagram. So if you are not following me there, you can find that link in the description of this video. I'll also put it up here so that you can go follow along and see literally all the things that I get, because it's not just clothing, it's skincare, it's health stuff, beauty. I get a bunch of stuff. Again, so grateful. This video, I'm going to be just showing you a few of the brand's items that they have sent me. There are so many brands that I could show, but just for the length of the video, I don't want this to be super long. So I might as well just like cut them up into, you know, different videos so that, you know, maybe next week I show you guys, oh, like here's these 3 brands and here's what they sent me. So this video, we're focusing on 4 different brands. And the brands are SPLENDID, Petal and Pup, Peppermayo, ASTR the label. All amazing brands, all very unique brands. And these are all clothing brands. Solely, I am a fashion creator. I wear many hats on many different platforms, and I kind of have like a mosh posh of a lot of things, but all of my styling and outfit inspo and outfit ideas and fashion finds, all that is on Instagram. Collabs will be featured on Instagram too. So if you want to see how I will fully style all of these, you can, again, a little plug, just go follow me on there. Very first brand that we're gonna talk about is SPLENDID. SPLENDID is an amazing elevated basics company based in LA. And I'm actually wearing the outfit right now. I thought it would be good to just like have it on. And yeah, so they sent me this white halter tank top. They sent me this long sleeve tie front top button up as well. And then they sent me these jeans, and waisted, and they are wide leg as well. Let's see if we can see this. High-waisted and then wide leg, and there's a little bit of fringe at the bottom. And honestly, I put this outfit on right before this video, and I was like, the quality is incredible. And you know when you put it on, whether it truly just feels quality, right? Like, I wish you could feel this. Everything, like the pants are so soft, the top is so soft. Everything just feels like it was made with love and care, which we love. And yeah, I was just really excited when they reached out and wanted to work with me. And the collab will be shown on Instagram and on TikTok. Next, we have Petal and Pup. So Petal and Pup, I'm working with them on a March and April campaign. Really excited about that. As we know, we are in spring, so all these things are like spring forward items. And what's really cool about working with brands is that they do give their creators full reign with like what we want to select from like a bunch of selections, right? And for Petal and Pup, they were like, yeah, like select 4 items, and you know, we'll talk about the campaign brief and the concept and everything. So here are the 4 things. First and foremost is this gorgeous long sleeve top, and it has ruching in the waist, which I love when shirts do that because it really accentuates your figure. And then It's a sweetheart neckline, which is great too. So it's like very flattering in the décolletage area, and it fits really, really well. It's also floral, and it has like pretty, what's it called? Like a little flare at the bottom, and also balloon sleeves. So we love that. I got this cute pink number. So I absolutely love bodycon dresses, and I love when they're cute and flirty. Yes, people think about bodycon dresses as like, oh, like I'm going out, like out at night, but this is something super cute that you can wear to literally so many things. Like you can wear to a like day brunch, or you can wear to like a cocktail party. This can be worn many different ways. It is floral. I like the little mini balloon sleeves on the shoulder, and yeah, like it fits like a glove. It is a mini dress, as you can see, and it's super, super, super cute. Beautiful orange number. I tried this on. I was like, okay, this is it. This is the one. I love all the things I got in this Petal and Pup campaign, but this one is definitely my favorite, I have to say. Orange is such a stunning color on, I think, everybody. And just the design is gorgeous. It has a cowl neckline. It is strappy. It has an open back. It has a slit on the side. It's a midi dress. There's so many things about this dress that are appealing. And if you want to see how I style this one, because this one's really good, again, head over to my Instagram, Romper. So they actually call it a play suit on their website, but play suit and romper pretty much synonymous. And so it is a button-down play suit, and it is so, so, so cute on. I saw it online on the model, and I was like, I feel like I need to do this. I need to send it. I need to pick this out. I love a long sleeve. You guys know, whoever has been here for a good amount of time and have seen my videos about fashion and my hauls, long sleeve is my favorite type of clothing. I love a long sleeve. Anyways, yeah, and it has a collar, and it also, this is pretty cool, it ties at the back. It has a tie at the back, which we love. This, honestly, oh my god, I wore it with my cowboy boots and screaming, like so, so good. ASTR the label. So ASTR label, stunning, stunning brand, stunning, stunning clothes, and they reached out to me mid-February to do a March campaign for their spring break collection, which is super fun. So these are all part of their spring break collection, and we love that. So first we have this gorgeous orange dress. It is so, so, so cute on. Like, it makes me feel like an orange princess. And you know, it's interesting because I don't normally go for dresses with this shape and this style, but super, super flattering on, and it has an open back, and it's just so, so, so cute. So we love this sage green bodysuit, and it's a tank top, and it is so cute. I wore it earlier today actually for a shoot, and we love her. It has such nice material and texture, and it is very, very, very form-fitting. Obviously, bodysuits are usually form-fitting to your body, but that one's just super flattering, and we love a sage green. Green is the it color for spring. It is beige, it ties at the waist, it is long sleeve, duh, and it has a V-neck, and I wish you can feel the texture. It feels fantastic on, and it looks fantastic on. I do a lot of referring to Instagram because I do have a picture in this outfit, how I styled it. I loved how I styled it. It looked so good. Peppermayo. Okay, I have to give a backstory. A backstory is due. So Peppermayo truly is one of my favorite brands that I've ever worked with. They've sent me so much stuff. This is not even anywhere near what they've sent me in total. And I'm so, so, so thankful for the fact that they reached out to me last summer. So I've been working with them since last summer on many campaigns, and I'm so grateful. Their clothing is so quality. It is gorgeous and fantastic, and I'm just happy that I get to work with a brand like that. So just wanted to give that little preface. So like I said, this is only a portion because I was like, okay, there's a lot. Like definitely out of all the brands, Peppermayo has sent me the most stuff, which I'm thankful for. So let's just get into it. The first thing is this really, really cute beige mini skirt. Mini skirts are super important for spring, guys. I cannot stress that enough. Everyone needs a mini skirt. I said what I said. They're just perfect for almost every situation where you want to look cute, put on a mini skirt, you're already going to look cute, right? So with that in mind, I got the same one in pink. I mean, we needed a pink moment. Pink's my favorite color, so it just truly made sense. Then I got this super cute mesh long sleeve top. We love a floral detailing. I love that it's orange, like the floral part is orange. It's just a beautiful pop of color for any outfit. Like I can just wear like white pants and then a white bandeau or lace bra, and then I can wear this and that's already super cute. Or even orange pants to tie in the orange. Like there's so many things that we can do with this. So I'm so happy about this one. And then we got this blue halter top. Okay, this is such a moment. This is such a moment. This blue halter top is going to be worn so many times. I haven't worn it yet, but it's going to be worn so many times. And you know, it ties to the back. It's truly a halter top, and it's satin. And it's such a pretty baby blue. So we love her. Then we needed some lavender. I looked into my archives of my closet and I don't have a lot of lavender. So I was like, I'm going to get lavender and I'm going to wear lavender more because it is such a pretty color. So we got this really, really cute mini dress. I love the cupping on the breast area and the shoulder part ties or the straps. The shoulder straps tie, and it is a very, very flattering cut. So I'm excited to style that. Then bright pink energy. We got this long, or not even long. We got this halter pink dress, mini dress, and it is a cotton material. It looks so cute on. I wore this with cowboy boots and I was like, all right, I'm ready for a festival. Take me to a festival. It has a special place in my heart because I saw this design and pattern getting really popular last summer and I was like, I really want something like that. So the fact that Peppermayo sent this to me just really just shows that I love them so much. And so it's a halter, it's a halter dress. It is a crochet dress, open back. It's a mini dress, and it's so colorful and happy and fun. Like you literally wear this and you cannot not be happy. Then this beautiful pink dress. It is a what's it called? It is a sleeveless dress, and this pattern just makes me really happy. I mean, it is a floral pink pattern. It fits like a glove. We love when dresses fit like a glove, and I'm really excited to wear that more. I wore that in an Instagram picture already. It was my first Instagram picture of the spring, just to like enter the spring with a bang, and I love how I style it. So Instagram to see how I style it. And then last but not least, a blue blazer. A blue blazer. Guys, this color of blue is stunning. This looks so good on literally everybody, and we love an oversized fit. I've already worn it in a spring photo. That did really well, and we just love this look. There's so many ways that you can style this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, I'm so incredibly thankful. I really feel like, yes, I just always want to say I'm thankful, and it's true, but I don't know, I just feel like words can't even like add up to how thankful and grateful I feel to be able to get these products, these really, really nice products. They're not cheap by any means. They're really nice products from really reputable companies, and I, again, just feel so grateful. like I said, if you want to see how I styled these or how I will style these in the future, you got to be following me on Instagram. What are you doing? Go, go, go. I mean, it's a fun time there. This energy that we are on in YouTube, and like multiply it, because I am just a ball of energy on that platform, on it every single day, unlike YouTube. But I love YouTube. But if you want more content like that, Instagram's your spot. I do have a blog post that talks about a lot of spring items that I've seen or I want or I will be getting. So if you want more insight on like my style, if this haul inspired you and was like, oh wow, like she has cute clothes, that blog post literally is just a mirror or a reflection of my style. So that's a really, really great place that I've been sending people to as well. Talk to you guys in my next video.